Hi guys, I'm Cantara if you don't know me, and today we are going to be doing a eyeliner tutorial for beginners. So it is a super easy step-by-step guide on how to create the perfect ring liner. So if you want these wings, then carry on watching. Alright guys, so let's get into this eyeliner situation. I'm going to be using a pen liner, and it is quite a thin tip, which is exactly what we are going for. So I prefer doing my eyeliner in a compact mirror just because it's a bit easier for me to see, and I can hold it up straight, like close up to my face, and see what the heck is going on. I like to do my eyeliner with my eye open. So holding my eye open so I can see where my eyelid folds and all of that. I like to see that so that I know that I don't go over and make it look crooked and weird. So I'm going to take this liner and go from the outer corner of my eye in the direction towards the end of my brow. Just like that. And also you need to take into consideration that my eye shape and your eye shape are not the same. So the way that I do eyeliner might not work for you. But using your eye as a guideline, these tips will help. I like to focus the wing on the outer portion of my eye because I notice that when I go too far in, it closes my eye off, and no. So now going from the middle of this line, I like to drag my liner towards the pupil of my eye. So drawing a triangle and going just to the middle portion of your eye so that we don't close off the rest of the eye. Now we're just gonna fill this in very carefully. Then I'm just going to take the mirror a little bit closer, and I am going to just make sure that everything is clean. Okay, so now when you have the basics filled in, what I like to do is take the liner on the side, and I just like to press the most pointed part of the eyeliner and just drag it across. Just like that, just to make sure that that liner is at the base of where our lashes are. And that is basically how I create my eyeliner. I don't like to take anything too far in because, like I said, it kind of closes off my eye and I don't like that. So now all I'm going to do is take some concealer and a little flat brush, and I'm going to clean up the edge of the liner. Now, one eyeliner hack that I absolutely swear by is taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and placing it along your liner. One, it makes it darker and it makes it a bit more matte. So if you do not have a matte eyeliner, then you will still be good. So I'm going to be using this black eyeshadow over here from my James Charles mini palette with a small little angled brush. Okay, and that is how I do my winged liner. So you guys, you see, it is super easy to create winged liner, so keep on practicing. If you try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, which is Cantara Farouk. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!